Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to assign tasks to multiple people in Asana. So this is very simple. First, click on the task itself, and then it will open up in this window, and what you will have to do is to add first assignee right here. So if I remove myself, I can add assignee and click right here to add it. And as you can see, this is recently assigned. You can change a due date, and in order to add another assignees, you have to add a subtask, then name a subtask for this assignee, and here you can assign this. So change the assignee, you can add another subtask, name the subtask. So let's say he will move boxes, and then simply assign another guy to it. Now, I am alone in this workspace, so I am assigning myself, but if you have different people, you can assign them. It is really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.